Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Designing a traditional style kitchen is an opportunity to create a warm, inviting space that celebrates timeless elegance and classic charm. Incorporating elements inspired by historical periods such as Victorian, Georgian, or colonial styles, traditional kitchens exude a sense of comfort, familiarity, and sophistication. Here are some key principles to consider when designing a traditional style kitchen. Cabinetry: opt for custom-made or semi-custom cabinetry with raised panel doors, intricate moldings, and decorative accents such as corbels and fluted columns. Choose wood finishes with warm tones such as cherry, mahogany, or maple to add richness and depth to the space. Hardware: select traditional hardware such as antique brass or oil-rubbed bronze knobs, handles, and hinges to complement the cabinetry and add vintage charm to the kitchen. Consider choosing hardware with ornate detailing or intricate designs to enhance the traditional aesthetic. Countertops: choose natural stone countertops such as granite, marble, or soapstone for a luxurious and timeless look. Opt for traditional edge profiles such as ogee or bullnose to add elegance and refinement to the kitchen design. Backsplash: incorporate a classic subway tile backsplash in a neutral color such as white or cream to create a timeless backdrop for the kitchen. Consider adding decorative tiles or a mosaic border for added visual interest and texture. Appliances: select appliances with a vintage-inspired or retro design to complement the traditional style of the kitchen. Choose finishes such as black, white, or stainless steel with classic detailing and retro-style knobs and handles. Lighting: install traditional-style light fixtures such as chandeliers, pendant lights, or lanterns to add ambience and illumination to the kitchen. Opt for fixtures with ornate metalwork, glass shades, or crystal accents to enhance the traditional aesthetic. Flooring: choose hardwood flooring with a rich, warm finish such as oak, maple, or cherry to complement the traditional style of the kitchen. Consider adding area rugs in classic patterns such as Persian or Oriental rugs to add warmth and comfort to the space. Accents and decor: incorporate traditional accents and decor such as vintage-inspired artwork, decorative plates, and pottery to add personality and charm to the kitchen. Consider displaying collections of antique kitchenware or heirloom pieces to add a sense of history and nostalgia to the space. By incorporating these design principles and elements, you can create a traditional style kitchen that is timeless, elegant, and inviting. Whether you're drawn to the romance of Victorian style or the understated elegance of colonial design, traditional kitchens offer a warm and welcoming retreat that celebrates the beauty of classic design.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!